Alright everyone, welcome to another video of Full Speed Impulse, and today we are back with the old budget Klx110, and we're kind of wrapping it up for today, for now. But we got our new plastics in, we got our brakes and all that, and we're going to get this thing dialed in, get it ready to rip, and then we'll be on to our next projects. So we got the old KLX CRF right here, but we got old KLX right here, our budget and all that, and she's been looking pretty good, guys. So today we're going to be putting new plastics on it. We got to get our rear brakes fixed, get this thing buttoned up for now, but more upgrades to come for this thing. It'll probably be manual clutch, getting this to a Klx110L setup instead, and then probably putting some fresh tires on it and stuff like that, and that will get it truly ready for our trips, and also installing a light bar since we do need those on our trips and all that. And then one of our buddies will be able to take this thing, rip it around if we want, or it'd be a backup bike for us. So whichever, she'll be there for us. And if you guys haven't seen it, go check out. We did a small little video, guys, on the whole rim spokes on these things. Just got done installing these. They look really good. And a good reason to do something like this is that when you come over here and look at this rim, like this cleans up pretty good. But look at these spokes. They're all dingy looking. Just be a pain in the butt to clean those all up. So what we're going to do, we're going to do the same thing over there. But we're just going to do these all black. Get them cleaned up a little bit, looking a little bit better. And it'll be a good looking pit bike. So just to let you guys know, we were kind of torn between buying just some graphics from eBay, even buying like some plastics from Faster Minis and all that. But I think those are all knockoff plastics. If you want to get legit plastics, you got to go to one of these main companies here, being UFO being one of them. And even though it came from Italy, guys, took less than 10 days to get here. Probably even less, probably almost 5 days. I'd say just about your standard 5 days and all that. Standard shipping. And this stuff looks super good, guys. We just don't want to get on the trail, lay the bike down one time, crack the plastic, and it'd be junk already. So not saying that can't happen with your good stuff too, but this stuff is definitely good quality made. And you got stickers galore here. You got stickers in each bag. Look at that. Stickers. And then a whole nother sheet of stickers here. So that's a win in my book. All right, but enough talking. Let's get at this thing. All right, so we got our plastics on. They're looking super good, guys. And now we're going to be working on our brake here. We already hammered this upward, but this was actually bent down and actually tore part of the frame here. So we're going to be welding this up, getting this more sturdy again. And then we actually have brand new pedal for this thing with the linkage and all that, which we got to take the back wheel off and see if there's even brake pads in here, which I don't think there is because this isn't working correctly at all. So, gotta have to bust this open and see what's going on. All right, everyone, after fiddling with these brakes for a little bit, we finally got her dialed in and all that. Our old TB parts brake lever here, we had to bend it up, actually, to get this thing to work. And it actually still sits a little below what I prefer. We didn't want to have to grind this out, so we kind of left it how it is just because it's our budget bike and all that. Found a spring laying around, got that thing hooked up. So brakes are good. Got good rear brakes, bike's styled in, plastics look good. bars are working good and all that. So, but we're not done with this bike yet. I think we're gonna go one more step further. So just to give you guys a little bit peek, these are our parts from our KLX110L, and we just got done painting these things. Did a nice silver on them with some clear coat and all that, just because this was chipped up a little bit. And these here we had recently hydro dipped. Well, not recently, but we had hydro dipped these, and they were getting all tore up. So we sanded them down, painted them, and you can see, like, it came out super duper good. Made a short video on this stuff here because this stuff is super duper awesome. Favorite clear coat in a can for sure. Trying to figure out what else we could clear coat, because I hate to see us go to waste, because it's only good for about 48 hours. So I was thinking about doing the rims and just totally just getting at it and spraying the hubs and all that stuff, but I don't know if that'd come out too well. And there's so much stuff you're just going to collide with. Like, you can only paint so much until you just break down the whole bike. That's it for today's video, guys, but we will be doing a video on turning your KLX110 into a KLX110L. Give them that beefed up suspension and all that. And I'm going to show you guys too, you don't need to have just leftover spare parts from your other 110L. I'll show you stuff that you need to buy to make it happen. It really doesn't cost you that much, guys. So I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, we'll see you later.